Hey, here's a little parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Material's been wetted. The white you can see is a reflection of the lights. They've been partially rubbed, and I'll pick up and give you a look. This piece has been roughly polished, so I think really what you're looking at here is you could leave it like that, have the two features on the stone. It's undulating, as you can see. The parent stone's been cut away. Just do with a better polish, or you could cut it through here and make two stones if you wished. Like I say, it's been semi-finished. Second piece hasn't been ground in that as much, but possibly cut it into a triangular type stone. It's nice and thick. This piece is a bit more sort of matrix, more solid colour over here, and then over here it's the speckled matrix type stone. Again, this has been shaped. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.